Okay, so we talked about making a key lime daiquiri, which I love, key lime vanilla. We're gonna add a little bit of these fun little winter berries. I don't know where they got this new name for them. They're just, the fancy little name is like a Blanc de Blanc strawberry. I've always known these as pine berries. They're just white strawberries, and they have like this little bit of pineapple like flavor to them, and I love them. I think they're like super delicious. I almost took a bite. That's how much I like them. So with that, combined with our wonderful key lime that we talked about in our tip earlier in the first episode. So you go back and give it a listen, or you can check us out on Instagram. We're going to make a key lime vanilla, and I'm going to call it a pineberry daiquiri. So here we go. So we're going to squeeze 2 ounces of key lime. Now, let me just tell you how long that takes. About 3 hours. So each one gives you a microdot. I went ahead earlier and I made the key lime juice. I was going to call it something crazy. I don't know what I was just going to say. And now we're going to take the same thing and we're going to squeeze our strawberries in there. So we're making 2 cocktails right now. So it's 1 ounce for each cocktail. And we are going to just squeeze a little bit of this beautiful white strawberry juice in here. And we're going to do 3 for each cocktail. And you're going to just take it out. You don't need it in there. It's not a muddled drink. It's just a nice daiquiri. It's going to give this really complex flavor to your daiquiri. It's going to make it like one of those things that just rounds it out. So there we go. See, it would be painful if I had to do all the key limes, huh, Louise? Yes. So we're going to take that last one. So we got 3 pine berries, 1 ounce of the key lime juice. It takes a long time. So if you're going to do this for multiple people, make sure you do this ahead of time. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of vanilla bean syrup. I made this ahead of time. This is made with bourbon vanilla bean. If you don't feel like making it, you can always come and purchase this at Buffalo and Bergen. We do sell it to go. And it is crazy hard and expensive to make, so just buy what you need. Anyway, next we're going to use white rum. This is a Caribbean rum, which I really like. It's called 10-to-1. And we're going to put 2 ounces in there. So there we go. We got all of our ingredients in there now. We're going to add some ice and we're going to shake. And we iced down our glasses before. That way we had a nice cold drink and made it delicious. And we're going to hit it with a strawberry and just a little bit of rosemary to finish it. So, are you ready? Here we go. My assistant, Charlotte. Okay. And it's so cold, it's not going to come off. There we go. Oh my God, it smells so good. I love key limes. You don't need the pine berries. You don't need anything. You just have the key limes and regular daiquiri. It's just wonderful. It's this perfect time of year for all of these things. So you should definitely use it. Here we go. And I'm just going to double strain just to make sure we don't have any strawberry seeds in here.
They look so good in your teeth though, Gina.
I know. Did we learn nothing from Pretty Woman? I had all the seeds in my teeth. Anyway. All right. So 2 beautiful vanilla key lime daiquiris. And then we're going to finish it off with this little cute little rosemary strawberry. We're just put a little across the top. Just drop it in. Same thing one more time. Just a little bit. We're going to have a little across the top. And we're just going to drop it in. And there we go.